Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. QuickBooks Online Advanced helps you create your own reports with the Custom Report Builder. After you've built a report, you can also view it as a chart to help you understand your company's data better. We'll go over how to find the Custom Report Builder, switch between the Table View and Chart View, and then customize the chart to look how you want. Select Business Overview, Reports. Note your navigation may look like this. Select Create New Report. Select the type of report you want to build and then create. Then build your report. Check out this video if you want more info on how to build a report. While you build your report, you're in Table View. This view gives you a traditional report with each line representing details about a specific transaction. The columns you include on the report are important because they'll also be your options if you want to customize your report. To see your report as a chart, select Chart View. QuickBooks displays a chart of your data and options to customize it. Note that these options change the layout of the graph and how it's organized. If you want to change the transactions QuickBooks uses to build the chart, switch back to Table View and make your edits from there. Select the type of chart you want. Then customize how you want to organize the chart. Your X-axis options come from the columns you selected earlier for the report that aren't dollar amounts. And your Y-axis options are the columns you selected that are the dollar amounts. When you save your report, QuickBooks saves your chart customizations as well. Now you're ready to use Chart View when you run custom reports.